Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the previous topic, conditional identities involving the angles of a triangle, in which you have given a condition a plus b plus c equal pi. Now we are going to discuss some questions of this topic. Question number first. You have to prove that tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal tan 2a, tan 2b, tan 2c. We have to prove it. In previous video, we have seen the questions containing the function sine and cos. But now we will see how the question of tan function can be proved. If your question containing the function of tan, then we will start from this condition, which is a plus b plus c equal pi. From this, a plus b equal pi minus c. But we have the angle in the question 2a, 2b, 2c, 2a, 2b, 2c. So we will multiply this by 2 both sides. Multiply by 2 both sides. Then 2a plus 2b equal 2 pi minus c. Now taking tan both sides, tan 2a plus 2b equal tan 2 pi minus c. Tan 2a plus 2b is equals to tan 2 pi minus c. Tan 2 pi minus 2c, this is the angle of fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta. The angle lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the value of tan is negative. So this will become tan 2a plus 2b equal minus tan 2c. Now apply tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Use this formula, we get tan 2a plus tan 2b upon 1 minus tan 2a tan 2b equal minus tan 2c. Now cross multiply, we get tan 2a plus tan 2b equal, multiply 1 and minus tan 2c, we get minus tan 2c, minus minus plus, and this becomes tan 2a, tan 2b, tan 2c. Now take minus tan 2c to this side. This will become positive. Tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal tan 2a plus tan 2b into tan 2b into tan 2c, which we have to prove. This is the method to prove the questions containing the function tan. In these questions, we are not going to start the question from left hand side, but we will start the question by the given condition. And by following method, we can prove every question of this type. Now see in another question. You have to prove that tan a by 2 tan b by 2 plus tan b by 2 tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 tan a by 2 equal 1. This is the question containing the function tan. So we have to start this question from the given condition a plus b plus c equal pi. A plus b equal pi minus c. Now the angle is a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So divide this by 2 both sides. We get a by 2 plus b by 2 equal pi by 2 minus c by 2. Taking tan both sides, tan a by 2 plus b by 2 equal tan pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now apply tan x plus y, tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 upon 1 minus tan a by 2 tan b by 2 equal tan pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta, angle lies in the first quadrant, and this is equals to cot c by 2 equal cot c by 2 can be written as 1 upon tan c by 2, because cot is equals to 1 upon tan. So we can write this in this form. Now multiply, cross multiply it. Tan a by 2 tan c by 2 plus tan b by 2 tan c by 2 equal 1 minus tan a by 2 tan b by 2. Now take this term to the left side. Tan a by 2 tan b by 2, this is negative, so when it is coming to this side, this will become positive, plus tan b by 2 tan c by 2 plus tan a by 2 tan c by 2 equal 1. This is the question which we have to prove. So these are very simple. Same method you have to apply in all the questions containing the function tan or cot. Now see, there is a question of sine which can make you confused how to solve. I can make it easy for you. The question is sine a plus b minus c plus sine c plus a minus b plus sine minus sine a plus b minus c, and this is b plus c minus a. This is equals to 4 cos a cos b sin c. We will start the question from the left hand side. Sin b plus c minus a plus sin c plus a minus b minus sin a plus b minus c. Equal sin put the value of b plus c from the given condition, then b plus c equals to pi minus a minus a plus sin c plus a is equals to pi minus b minus b minus sin a plus b equals to pi minus c minus c equals to sin pi minus 2a plus sin pi minus 2b minus sin pi minus 2c, and sin pi minus theta is equals to sin theta. Pi minus theta is the angle lies in second quadrant. So this is in second quadrant, the function sign is positive. So this is equals to sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. This is the first question which I have explained you in the previous video. And this is equals to this. Same procedure you have to apply and prove it to this. Now this will become easier to you because same this question I have proved you in the previous video, which is the first question of your exercise. So do it same as it was. Now if any other doubt arises, then you can ask in the doubt group. Thank you.